If you trade with prop firms, you may be trading on the NinjaTrader platform, and now they just released an update, and this update is going to be huge for those of you that trade with a prop firm that has NinjaTrader prop. So if we go over and take a look at what is the update, and I do want to caution you guys on something real quick. Before you update NinjaTrader, one of the things I always do is wait until we get a version .1. So we can see 8.1.8.0 was released on July 21st. But now there is another update which fixes some minor bugs, 8.1.8.1. And you'll see that with the majority of NinjaTrader's updates, for instance, 8.1.4, if you scroll down there was a .1 and a .2. So normally I wait until .1 is released before I go ahead and download the update. So what's included in this latest release? Well, now coming up in the near future, we're going to be able to trade single stock futures. So if you want to trade Nvidia, J&J, Microsoft, Google, Visa, Netflix, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, just to name a few, guess what? Now in the futures markets, we're going to be allowed to trade these stocks. And let me know in the comment section down below, do you guys think prop firms are going to make this one of the tradable assets that we're allowed to trade? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, in this update, you can also see that we have single stock futures default workspace, no big deal, but we now also have an earnings calendar right within the NinjaTrader platform. You see here, you get stock data, you get hot lists, but this is not my favorite feature. If you look right here, we now get the manual lockout for prop accounts. And I think this is going to be more specifically for prop firms that have the NinjaTrader prop. And I got to be honest with you, Tradeovate has had this for quite a bit now. And I can't tell you how many traders that I've talked to that use the lockout feature. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you guys use the lockout feature? Now, I've been waiting to want to test this out. So this next week, I think I'm going to go ahead and download the new version, since now 8.1.8.1 is out, and get ready to go ahead and test this out. So if you're tired of being up on the day and blowing your account, this manual lockout feature could be a game changer that can help you lock yourself out so you can't go back in and give the market their money back. Now you can see that we can lock ourselves out for 30 minutes, 1 hour, custom, the end of the trading day, which is probably going to be the best option. I'm just saying. And if you guys want to go and see which prop firms actually have NinjaTrader prop, you can go right to propfirmmike.com. Under firms, we want to go where it says platform, select NinjaTrader prop, and the prop firms that I trade with, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradeify all have NinjaTrader prop. So this feature should be available on the NinjaTrader 8 platform.